Okay, everybody's loving the college cooking 101 basic life cooking hacks, right? For teenagers, young adults, people in college, or if you're like me and you just want to keep it simple, not complicate, right? Not overcomplicate life anymore. Ooh, that's hot. I gotta bring this over here. So we had my mom's yummy spaghetti. She made a lot. Because I guess she was doing VBS, which is Vacation Bible School for all y'all heathens out there. I'm just kidding. People who didn't go to church and vacation Bible schools and Sunday schools, like how I was raised down here in the South. All right, we're having too much fun. My son's like, all right, Mom, you are too much. See, he can't tell me what to do when it's on my channel, right? This is my channel. So, yeah, we came over here. It's my dad's birthday. I still can't believe they're doing flipping VBS on his birthday. And he didn't want to take it off. My dad, he's so dedicated. That's where he's at. It's his birthday tonight. I keep reminding myself. Anywho, so we're gonna celebrate his birthday over the weekend more. Because he's so good. He went to Vacation Bible School for the kids on his birthday. How sweet is that? But my mom left her spaghetti and it was great. It was like we had it, but then I let it sit there because my son was taking a quick nap, and you know how it just sits on the stove and you turn it off and you're like, okay, we're not ready to eat it yet, like how you thought. So a great way to refresh really quick, whether it's like pasta or if it was like a meat and another entree with rice, but it works so great with pasta, is just doing the pasta bake. So you just put the spaghetti in here, you just layer it, just how it came out from like the noodles and the separated, sauce. You just start layering it and then put some seasoning in there and top it off with just extra cheese. I had some mozzarella, like the firm, solid. I'm trying to find my words. What am I trying to say? Not grated all the way, but like, a few of the chunks that I could melt in there first. And then I put a little bit of mozzarella grated cheese in there and a little bit of cheddar cheese. That's what it was. A few cheddar cheese slices that got overtaken by the white mozzarella on top. I don't know if you can see the orange in there a little bit with the white, but you just put most of the cheese on top, and I'm telling you, it's just the best like refresh to spaghetti, whatever other pasta you have, other type of meal. Just put it, layer it, and you can add something or other seasoning if you want. You top it off with whatever cheese you want. I'm telling you, in the oven, what did I put it on? 400 for 15 minutes. You could do 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. One or the other is usually like the best, fastest way to do it without overheating it or underheating, taking forever. Yeah, and it comes out like this, really perfect, like it's all the way baked, baby. And you get the crispy ring around the outside, but in the middle it's nice and cheesy and ooey. And I just, I got my son some. See, it's still kind of like with the cheese, you can see. So that's when you know it's a perfect. Así es perfecto, mi hijo. Okay, but we need to do Italian. I need to see if it's similar in Italian, because that's Spanish. I know more Spanish, of course. So I don't know if it's perfect. I gotta check, because I have my Italian phrase book with me. Well, and we have ChatGPT and all the language stuff, but yeah. But good in Italian is still bene, and it's gotta still be delicioso, right? It's probably the same. So you guys try it, try your pasta, bake, refresh, let me know how it goes. You could do it any which way you want. You could do it, you could do a Mexican pasta rice bake. You could do, Mediterranean style. Maybe I'll try a few other ones. But this one is officially the spaghetti pasta bake. It's just a quick refresh. It brings life back to the leftover spaghetti that people have been eating for days. So try it. You like it. Let me know how it goes. Mwah! How is it?
Good.
Delicioso. Bene, bene.